Blackbox AI versus ChatGPT. Which AI is better? So what is Blackbox AI? Blackbox AI is a developer-focused assistant integrated directly into IDEs like VS Code, Jupyter, and even mobile apps. It excels at real-time code suggestions, debugging, code extraction, and tight IDE integration. Users report it speeds the workflow dramatically, 10 times faster, is a common claim. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a versatile general-purpose AI. It can generate text, explain concepts, draft code, and power conversational agents across domains, even creative writing, support, or technical tutoring. And now for the feature comparisons. For Blackbox AI, it has IDE plugins, browser extensions, and a mobile app. ChatGPT has web API apps, but no direct code editor integration. In terms of coding assistant, Blackbox AI has autocomplete, debug, extract code from images and video. ChatGPT can generate, explain, or debug code conversationally. In terms of content generation, Blackbox is focused on code, converts UI, or prompts to code. ChatGPT is broad. It does essays, blog posts, creative content, etc. Blackbox AI has special features like OCR, AI chat with IDE, image to code, and voice agents. ChatGPT has file upload, multimodal probing, and wide GPT ecosystem. In terms of transparency and scope, Blackbox nature is optimized for performance, but less interpretable. ChatGPT has transparent design, wider interpretability across tasks. And now for the pros and cons. For Blackbox AI, it has seamless coding workflow with IDE integration. It has rapid code completion, debugging, and even code extraction from visuals. It has generous free tier and advanced features like voice-controlled agents. However, it's sometimes inaccurate or unfinished code. It requires careful review. It has a closed system, less transparency into inner workings, and it's cloud-based, privacy considerations for proprietary code. For ChatGPT, its pros include it being ultra versatile. It's great for writing, explaining, brainstorming, and tutoring. It has strong conversational abilities with context retention. It has broad integrations, APIs, and GPT ecosystem for customization. However, it's not tightly integrated into coding environments. It requires switching contexts. Code generation isn't as precise or streamlined as Blackbox AI. So which AI is better? Choose Blackbox AI if you're a developer looking for powerful real-time coding assistance embedded right into your tools, autocomplete, debugging, code extraction, the whole workflow. Choose ChatGPT if you need a flexible multipurpose assistant capable of writing, teaching, coding, and reasoning across domains. The best combo? Use both. Blackbox for your coding flow and ChatGPT for learning, planning, and broader problem solving. So which one are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.